Welcome to STEM at High School. This is a course designed to integrate STEM and computer science into your core content. Each topic contains an interactive lesson, a STEM challenge, career focus, and a 3D print project. STEM at High School covers grades 9 through 12, and we also offer STEM at Elementary and STEM at Middle School. Let's take a look. Here you will see several folders, beginning with the Start Here folder, followed by all of our subjects that are core content. If we click into the Start Here folder, there are several resources for you to use while going through the courses. You have a topic guide, a materials catalog, how to use our Educate platform, and several other things for you to use. Let's look at the topic guide. Our topic guide is going to show you how these lessons integrate into your core content areas, including business, English, fine arts, FCS and health, math, science, and social studies. Next are examples of some of the lessons. In each, there's a STEM lesson, a STEM challenge that will integrate the engineering design cycle, and a 3D print lesson along with a career focus. As you will see, this is the case for all subject areas. Let's take a look at the materials catalog. The materials catalog is here as for you to use as a tool on what materials to use with your STEM challenges. These are just suggested materials, and students can use things that are not on the list, and they can be as creative as they like. And where it says not applicable, those are free digital resources that they can use. Let's move on to a lesson. Again, these are all the core subjects we cover. I'm going to choose the Fine Arts folder. And once I get into Fine Arts, it's going to have different objectives within Fine Arts: architectural design, music history, digital art, and for this example, I'm going to choose graphic design. Once we get into graphic design, into the lesson, you will see right away a teacher's guide. This guide is here to help you go through the course. It's going to tell you which standards are going to be covered in the lesson that you're in, the Restaurant Wars lesson, STEM lesson. It's going to tell you what STEM is, how students can use STEM skills throughout their lesson, what the STEM challenge is, and using the engineering design cycle, how to apply the resources, and finally their 3D printing project. Let's jump into the lesson. Each of our lessons is going to look like this when you begin. You simply click Start, and you just begin navigating through the screens, either by the buttons at the bottom or the menu up at the top right, and you can skip around. Once the students get through the actual lesson, it will bring them to their STEM challenge. In this STEM challenge, they're going to be creating a restaurant that offers healthy options, and it takes them through the engineering design cycle to do so. Once they're done, they share their project, and then there's some discussion topics at the end that you can do with the students. And at the very end, you have some reading materials, and you have a career focus along with what your 3D print project is going to be. Also, I want to mention that this course can be used via distance learning on any mobile device, as well as being used in the classroom. Let's move on to the 3D print. It's going to look similar to the STEM challenge lesson. We're just going to hit Start, and it's going to walk the students through how to create their 3D print object, which in this case is a spaghetti pasta portion tool, a spaghetti measurer. We use Tinkercad as our software for our 3D print projects. So when we go into create, it's going to help them set up a Tinkercad account. There is a video here, and there are instructions on the click here button. And then students will just simply go through the instructions while toggling back and forth from Tinkercad to the STEMFuse platform, following the instructions that we give you here to create your pasta portion grid project. At the end, you will save your project and you will export that to your 3D printer, and there's instructions here to do so. Thank you for listening to the STEM at High School overview. If you have any questions, please contact customer service at stemfuse.com and a sales representative will reach out to you.